I have to put it down a little so Bella can be in it. Look at her, she's looking at the camera and everything, she just knows. Wanna go pee? Don't go on, that might be hot. Oh, it is hot. Oh, back there. She's knocking things over. She can just stay in the background. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing as my last video. I'm doing it on the same day, obviously. Today, I'm going to be telling you guys what I got people for Christmas. Because Christmas shopping is so hard. I never know what to get anybody. I still haven't even finished getting people things, so maybe you guys can comment down below for like the people who I haven't gotten anything for still and help me. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you what I've gotten so far, like ideas I have and stuff, just so you can get ideas too maybe, because it's so hard. It's so hard. And then when you ask them, they're just like, I don't want anything. And then you're like, well, that's not an option. So just tell me. I love when people tell me. I love when they're just like, oh yeah, get me this. It makes my life so easy. Yeah, I'm just going to like show you the things that I have for people and the ideas of things that I haven't gotten yet, or I'm just gonna tell you things that I haven't gotten like in the mail yet because I've ordered some things. Let's just get into it. So for the first person is my best friend. She's really wanted the like original classic Victoria's Secret pajamas for a while, so I got them for her, and I just got her like the shorts and the short sleeve one. I got her a size small, I think. Yeah, small. This is the shirt. Super cute. I really want this pajama set as well. But yeah, it's really cute. So that's the first thing. And also, just to go with it, I got these slippers from Victoria's Secret because I was ordering from them already, so I was like, I'll just get them too. They seem really comfy, so. And then, you know, I was like $5 away from free shipping, so I wasn't paying for shipping if I can get $5 more stuff, you know? So I got a couple bath bombs. This one is lips. They smell so good. I can smell them through the thing. I think they're the same. Oh no, they're not the same flavor. They smell kind of the same, but they're so good. And then this one's a donut. I got 2 face masks. One makes your face dewy, and then the other one makes your face glowy. And I don't know what else to get her, but you gotta start somewhere. That's the first thing I got her. I don't know what else I'll get. I have to figure it out. But next is my other best friend, who's a guy. 2 things off of Amazon, but they haven't gotten here yet. And then I got him this. It's like it's called Mixologist. It's an alcohol mixing set. It comes with like the shaker. It comes with a shot glass. And then it comes with like a glass. And it's so cool because it has like a ton of recipes on it. Like, these things are all different recipes for drinks. Like, I thought that was so cool because you don't have to like Google it. But, and then it comes with this thing, I don't know what it does, and then a thing that you can like mash, like if you're making like sangria, you know, you gotta mash like the fruit, whatever. And then the other 2 things I got him, I was gonna get him a Keurig, and he loves coffee, but I texted him and I was like, I want a Keurig for myself, like, do you have one or do you like them? And he was like, I just got one yesterday. And I was like, are you kidding? So I got him a coffee cup, like to go hydro flask, and I got him, I'll put them on the screen because I'm not good at describing things. And I also got him these handles that you put like in your Jeep. They're like, they go like on like the bar part, and it's just like, I don't know how to explain it. You'll see it in the picture, but I have them in my Jeep and he said he wanted them, so I got them for him. And that's all I've gotten him so far. Might throw in like a Dunks gift card or something. Moving on to my sister. I got her this like 3 product hair kit thingy from Way. It comes with a dry texture foam mousse, a volume spray, and a wave spray. That's what I got her so far. I don't know what else to get her. I've been trying to convince her boyfriend to get her a puppy. I really hope he does. He said maybe, but probably won't. But I've been waiting on that because if he does, then I'm just gonna get her like a little basket and get like dog toys, dog food, treats, like maybe like a sweater for him, like a collar. They make like these collars that you can get like a bracelet that matches it, so it's like your dog has one and you have one. It's like a best friend bracelet. It's so cute. So I'm waiting on him to like finish getting her gifts, but if he doesn't get her one, then I have no idea what else to get her. No clue. My brother, I haven't gotten him a single thing. I have no idea what to get him. Like literally zero ideas. I might just get him clothes because he loves clothes. Clothes. That sounded weird. But yeah, I'm having a really hard time. And for my mom's boyfriend, we got him a Amazon Fire Stick so far because he loves to watch movies, and you can get like a bunch of things on here, like Hulu, Pandora, Netflix, everything. The Food Network. Okay, but that's what we got him so far. And he's been wanting like a winter hat because he lost all his somehow. I don't know how. So I might get him like a Patriots one or just like a plain black one, maybe both. I don't know. But you know, ideas are in the works here. We don't know. And for my grandfather, he used to like work outside a lot, like doing yard work and stuff like that. And he likes to wear like comfy clothes, obviously. So my nanny told us that he wanted more flannels so that he could work outside in and stuff. So we just got him this one, $8 at Walmart. And it's like soft. It feels like good quality. So we might go get him another one of those too, just so he can have like a few more, and because they're so cheap. And we also got him, they haven't come in the mail yet, but when I say we, I mean me and my siblings. But we also got him these, like, you know how guys, when they wear like dress up pants and like shoes, they wear like funny looking socks sometimes. Well, if you don't know what I'm talking about, whatever. Well, he loves those, and Barnes & Nobles was doing like a sock set like that for the Beatles, and obviously he likes the Beatles, so we got him that. And yeah, that's what we've gotten for him. And then for my nanny, we got her this cutting board off of Etsy, and it's like customizable, and it says like Blank's Kitchen, and it has like a little mixer on it, and it's super cute. So we're gonna write Nani's Kitchen on it, and it's coming in the mail. But that's what we got for her. And then we're just gonna get her like a bottle of wine also. And my mom, I don't think we've gotten her anything yet. My mom is so hard to shop for because we always outdo ourselves, and then we can never one-up it. You know what I mean? Like last year we got her a Burberry wallet, and then the year before that we got her Burberry sunglasses. She loves Burberry. Bougie. But you know, what else are we gonna get? We can't get her anything else from Burberry because it's so expensive. She wants a purse. Those are thousands of dollars. Not happening, sweetie. But yeah, we have no idea what to get her. Like, no clue. And for my sister's boyfriend, so far, I got him this like beer mug. It's football. I thought it was so cute, and it was at Five Below, and it's so cute, and it's huge. Like honestly, places like that, if you need to get like little gifts, go to like Five Below, or not the dollar store because that's not very good, but like Five Below if you have one near you. Amazing. But yeah, I don't know what else to get him either. Boys are so hard to shop for because you can either get them clothes, like sports stuff, or nothing. And then for my boyfriend, I don't have any of it yet because it's in the mail, all of it. I hope he doesn't watch this. Graduating soon, so he's gonna be like working, you know what I mean? So he told me he needed like work clothes and like shoes. So I got him a pair of shoes from Macy's or Nordstrom's, I forget. And then I got him a watch, and it's really cool because like, you know how sometimes watches have like the 3 little watches? Look at, there's foundation on my hand. Doesn't match. There's like the 3 little clocks in it, and it tells you what day of the week it is. I thought that was so cool because I always forget the day of the week because I'm an idiot. That's what I got him. And I also got him a like the Google Wi-Fi router thing because he plays his Xbox a lot, and at school his Wi-Fi is awful and his games always like lag. Got him that so his Wi-Fi is good or better, or so he can play and not get like frustrated with it. So yeah, haven't gotten a single thing from my mom or my brother. Great. I don't know what else to get my best friend. Both of them actually, I think. I'm just gonna get my guy friend the Dunks gift card, and then that'll be enough. And then I don't know what else to get my other friend. And then yeah, I don't know what else to get my sister if her boyfriend doesn't get her the dog. I don't know what else to get her boyfriend. It's just not a fun time. But yeah, that's it. That's all I've gotten, people. I really hope this video helps you. You know, if you're shopping for like a girl, you can never go wrong with makeup if they like makeup. She's your girlfriend, get her like a Pandora ring, and you can get like matching earrings with it or something off of Pandora. Or you can get her like pajamas from like Victoria's Secret. Those are my ideas. I really hope it helps you. I know Christmas shopping can be stressful and it can get expensive, so try to save money where you can. Please leave ideas for me down below if you have any ideas for like my brother or my mom or literally everybody in this video, because I clearly haven't finished anybody's Christmas shopping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. And yeah, I love Christmas. It's my favorite. I'm so excited. See you guys in my next video. Bye.